Welcome back to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the city of Sin. If you all are new to the channel, stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for all of these epic adventures. Right now we are outside of TAP in MGM Grand here in Las Vegas. We're going to do another food review video for you guys. We're going to check it out, see how it is, and see if it's worth trying here in fabulous Las Vegas for all of these multiple dining options. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. We're going to go check it out and let you know how it is. We decided to try the double play burger here at TAP in MGM Grand, Las Vegas. We will see how it is. It is a double beef burger with American cheese and a Thousand Island dressing with tomato, lettuce, and I think onions as well. Anyway, we will show you the food once it gets here. I will dive in, give it a taste, see how it all tastes, and I will let you know if TAP MGM Las Vegas is a good place to check out here on Fabulous Football Sunday. Perfect food just got here. Everything looks absolutely delicious. Like I said, again, we got the double play burger here. We got double beef patties and fries, and ketchup, mayo, and all of the condiments here on the side. Mom got the exact same thing here. She got the double play burger as well. So we're gonna give this a try, see how everything is, and let you know how TAP here at MGM Grand is. Time to give everything that taste and see how everything is. So first we'll dig in with the fries and the good all-American ketchup, see how that is. That crisp is gorgeous. Look at this, watch this. She just breaks apart. Golden crispiness in the inside. And absolutely nice golden crisp texture. Taste is absolutely amazing, out of this world. They have kind of like a Cajun style seasoning to these fries. I don't know if you can kind of see that there, that little redness to the Cajun style, but it's absolutely delicious. Now it is time to give the double play burger the shot. That is really good as well. Can't complain with the double play burger. Mom has hers a little bit sloppy right now. She's got Thousand Island literally going everywhere on that burger. Oh, absolutely delicious. Well, I tell you what, I'm going to enjoy this while it's nice and hot, and I will pick up with you guys here at the end of this. I will let you know if TAP here in MGM Grand is absolutely delicious and well worth trying, or if it's worth skipping on your next adventure. So we just got done here at TAP MGM here in Las Vegas. It was a really good bite to eat. I would highly recommend trying this place. If you guys want to check it out, be sure to do so. It's right by the sports book at MGM, directly across the street. So if you guys like this food review video, like the other food review videos, be sure to check them all out here on Fabulous YouTube. But thank you all for joining me on today's adventure. If you guys like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you haven't already done so, be sure to share this with your friends and family. But as always, my friends, my name is Ryan. Until the next Las Vegas adventure.